Hi everyone, this is Mohit and welcome back to Ingenious TechHub channel. So in this session, we will discuss what is alpha testing. Okay, so first of all, you can see alpha testing means before delivering to the client. Okay, what do you meaning of that? We have already completed all the types of the testing almost, but before deliver to the client, we will do one more round of the testing. Okay, so basically main purpose of this testing is to find some defect as well, critical defect and all, right? So it should not impact with our client relations, like if you are getting the some major defect and all, and definitely we have some big escalation from them, right? So we will do one more final round of the testing. You can see I have some diagram here. User unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and the last that is called user acceptance testing. Okay, so this user acceptance testing is divided in alpha testing and beta testing. Okay, again you have to ask the question, what is alpha testing and what is beta testing? But both testings are user acceptance testing. Okay, so let's explore this. What is alpha testing? Okay, you can see it is a type of user acceptance testing conducted in the software company. Why, dear engineer? Okay, so just I'm giving one example. TCS, TCS. Okay, we have a client for TCS having the client for Apple. Okay, so what happened? TCS people have already developed the product, and that product they have to deliver to the Apple guy. That is the client of TCS. Okay. So what we can do, the TCS people will test again, will do this. Okay. So conducted by the software company, by their test engineer in the presence of user just before delivery. Okay. Alpha testing is a type of acceptance testing performed to identify all possible issues and bugs before releasing to the final product to the end users. Okay, alpha testing is carried out by the tester who are the internal employee of organization. Okay, so internal employment TCS guy. Okay, the main goal is to identify the task that the typical user might be perform and test them. Okay, so mainly main focus on like we should not miss anything to deliver this product to the client. Okay, so that is called alpha testing. We will give you the differences table also. Don't worry about that. From there, you will get more clarity about alpha testing and beta testing. Okay, so you can see we can go for what is beta testing. So you can see here beta testing means before delivery to the market. So I can give you one example of very famous example. Okay, so chat GPT they have already developed, they have done a lot of testing, and finally they have given to the beta version to the users. Use it. Okay, use it and give the feedback. Understood, right? So just like I can just give you the example, Microsoft people has developed chat GPT, actually developed by the different guy, but Microsoft is a shareholder of that company. I forget that company name, right? So what they have, they have developed and they have given to the users, hey, use guys, and you can give the feedback for our product. That is called beta testing. So directly you can see if you are using some software, you are seeing some beta version, means still they are in a beta version. This is not complete, they have released, right? Understood, right? So you can, here you can understand the difference between beta testing and alpha testing. Okay, I can keep here, so you will have a more interaction with me. Okay, while watching this video. Okay, so now we can explore this. It is a type of testing in which one will either end user or third party testing expert perform a testing in a customer place just before the actual implementation. Okay, still you can see many versions are coming for the chat GPT, the 4 version, 5 version. So they are trying to improve, they are trying to improve. Okay, beta testing is performed by real users. So hey, chat GPT came, we are using this, and we are also given us some feedback about that. If we will go for the chat GPT, the first version, we will get some many like disadvantage over there, like something we need to add more and all. I'm not going to explain over there. You can observe something you are like while using, you are not able to comfortable and all. Okay, so you can just observe. You will also find something. So that thing we can say to our feedback from them. Application in real environment, and it can be considered as form of external user acceptance testing. It is the final test before shipping a product to the customer. So just I am exploring in the sentence, but you can understand the real world example. So direct feedback from the customer is the major advantage. So direct the customer is giving you feedback. That is the major advantage of the beta testing. So this testing helps to test the product in the customer environment. Okay. So directly we are testing on the customer or production environment. Okay. So now guys, I have collected the few points. In the interview they will ask you what is the difference between alpha testing and beta testing, but we have already discussed. You will understand the differences. For interview perspective, if you have this table, then this will helpful for you guys. Alpha testing performed by the tester who are usually internal employee of the organization. Okay. Beta testing is performed by the client or end user who are the not employees of the organization. So customer directly using the product. Alpha testing performed by the developer side. Okay. So we are in a developer or QA environment, we are testing over there. But beta testing is performed as a client location or end user of the product. So here we can test reliability, security. Testings are not performed in a depth in alpha testing. So these are the things we are not doing in the depth because we have already done a lot of the testing. But here we are reliability, security, and robustness are checked during the beta testing. Okay, so these are all the things we have to, we have to take care of this as well. Okay, so alpha testing involve both the white box and black box technique. So what is the black box and white box? Okay, so I have already discussed. You can watch my previous video. You will get more clarity. And beta testing does not require any lab environment or testing environment. So here the software is made available into the public and is too set to be real time environment. Okay, understood, right? So we are directly using the chat GPT. So this is the user side and user environment. Long execution cycle may be required for the alpha testing because when you are doing the alpha testing, if you will find some defect, so again they are fixing over there, right? So definitely it will take time, or it will take long execution time as compared to beta testing. Only few weeks of the executions are required for beta testing. Okay. Critical issue or fixes can be addressed by the developer immediately in alpha testing. So same thing, if we find some issue, we can raise the bug and we developer will fix over there. That fixes is required in the alpha testing. But beta testing, most of the issues or feedbacks is collected from beta testing. I told you, right? So many things, many feedback they have got, then they have collected and will implement in the future version of the product. Okay, so you can see the chat GPT 5 is also coming. I think it's came already in the market. So they have some more enhancement. If some few bugs are there in the previous version, they have fixed it and all. Okay, so that's it in this session, guys. So if you are new in the channel, please subscribe my channel once again. So my channel name is Ingenious TechHub. Okay, so this is my channel name, and if you will go in this, we have a playlist. So here you can see we have a playlist. In this playlist you will get many useful playlists, guys. Still I am working on more. Okay, so here till now I have uploaded 12 session for manual testing. Okay, so if you want to start your career, I think you are in the good uh you are in the good you having the very good content here. I am exploring with some real time what you are seeing daily in the life or what you are using. So I'm relating that topic with real time. That is will helpful for you understanding the concept and read the technical word, and you can explain in your own way. You can find your own example. You have a dynamic. If you know the concept, you have a dynamic. You can give the many example in front of the interviewer. Okay, so okay, so one more thing. If you are a manual, you are learning the manual testing, or if you want to also learn automation as well, right? So I have my one website, so that is called Mohit TechHub. You will get all this link in the description. If you want to learn side by side automation testing also. So this is the paid course, guys. So here in a very minimal fee you will get the best content. This course I have designed the people who doesn't know anything about of automation. You are try to learn but you are unable to learn. Your interest will not come because you are not able to understand the subject. But this course I have designed anyone can learn. You can see the main thing for the automation test engineer is to learn the programming. Okay, but the main challenge you guys are unable to learn the programming any region. Okay, but this course will make you the interest how to code, how to become a coder. If you know how to write the code, then you can all you can see this is the content what we have. Three part of only for Java because the mostly people are struggling to learn the programming. Once you are good in the programming, then you can play with Selenium. This is my commitment, or my like this is my confident. I have a confident, guys, like if you will learn this in the sequence way, you are able to write the code as per the requirement, not only what you have. Okay, you can write the code as per the client requirement, as per your project requirement. Okay, so now if you will go here, you can just click on this buy. You will get the some discount coupon also. So course fee is only 749. Okay, so just you can go here. We have some preview video as well. Okay, you can see here we have some preview video, so you can here just watch here some demo video as well. If you like this, then you can enroll. Okay, as your wish. If you like it, then only you can enroll. Okay, so again thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new in the channel, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get new video notification. So support the channel. I'm getting more confident, and your feedback is very important. Okay, you can comment below if you have any feedback and all. Okay, thank you so much again, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.